a big disgrace, kicking your can all over the place, singing, we will rock you. We will rock you. You know the day destroys the night, night divides the day. Try to run, try to hide, still recall time we cried. Break on through to the other side, break on through to the other side, break on through to the other side, yeah.
American woman, stay away from me. American woman, mama, let me be. American woman, I said stay away. American woman, listen what I say.
Saw him dancing there by the record machine. I knew he must have been about 17. Singing, I love rock and roll. So put another dime in the jukebox, baby. I love rock and roll. So come on, take your time and dance with me.
Ragdoll, living in a movie. Hot tramp, daddy's little cutie. You're so fine, I never see you leaving by the back door. Man, hot times, get it while it's easy. I don't mind, come on up and see me. Ragdoll, baby, won't you do me like you done before? Yes, I'm moving. Yes, I'm moving. Getting ready for the big time. Tap dancing on landmine. Yes, I'm moving. Yes, I'm moving. All titty Lizzy, do it till you're dizzy. Give it all you got until you put it up your misery. Whatever tomorrow brings, I'll be there with open arms and open eyes. Yeah. Whatever tomorrow brings, I'll be there. I'll be there.
Well, swing it on the front part, swing it on the lawn, swing it where we want, 'cause there ain't nobody home. Swing it to the left and swing it to the right. Think about baseball, swing all night. Days my cherry pie, smile on your face, 10 miles wide. Look so good, bring a tear to your eyes. Sweet cherry pie. Gathered in their masses, just like witches at black masses. Evil minds that plot destruction, sorcerer of death's construction. Oh Lord, yeah.
My mama said that your life is a gift, and my mama said there's much weight you will lift, and my mama said leave those bad boys alone, and my mama said be home before the dawn.
I love how the team comes together. Even though we lost the first one, we can come together and still win the next three. I love the cheering and the hype from the student section and on the court and on the bench. Just the family culture that is built. How much work Gabby has put into making this team amazing, and not just growing as a team but as a family, to cheer on the other teams, the lower level teams, and to be able to cheer them on and hype them up and just to win all together.